How to find recently watched videos on Facebook. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to find your recently watched videos on Facebook but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find your Facebook application on your mobile device. After you find it, you can tap on it like this. Now, after you tap on it, you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to your profile like section on the top there and then go to the option of settings and privacy. After that, you have to tap on the option of the settings again. And after you tap on the option of the settings, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to just scroll down until you find the very option of your activity and then tap on activity log. After you tap on activity log, now you can see an interface like this. Now you can tap on the option of the personal information, and after you tap on the option of personal information, you can tap on manage the personal information there. And here you can see the various kind of information there, but since you would like to see our only video activities, you can tap on your Facebook activity there, and then you can go to the option of reels there, which is also a kind of videos, and then go to the option of the manage the reels. And after you tap on the option of the manage the reels, now you can see the very option of the reels there, or the various kind of videos that you have watched. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.